Starting on the journey of photography requires a critical decision in choosing the right camera. With a plethora of options available, each catering to different needs and skill levels, it's essential to navigate through the features and specifications to find the perfect match for your photography aspirations. This video shows a detailed guide to help you make an informed decision when selecting a camera for your photography endeavors. I also shared the photography must-have kit for beginners in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. Begin by clearly defining your photography goals. Are you an aspiring portrait photographer, a wildlife enthusiast, or a travel documentarian? Understanding your primary focus will guide you toward a camera that aligns with the specific requirements of your chosen genre. Consider the camera type. DSLR, digital single-lens reflex, ideal for versatility and traditional optical viewfinder experience. Mirrorless offers a more compact design with advanced features like electronic viewfinders and superior video capabilities. Compact/point-and-shoot, suitable for casual or beginner photographers, emphasizing simplicity and portability. Sensor size. Full frame offers superior image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. APS-C crop sensor, a good compromise between image quality and portability. Micro Four Thirds, smaller sensors but offers a more compact camera size. Resolution and megapixels. Higher megapixels, ideal for detailed and large prints. Moderate megapixels, adequate for most photography needs, including online sharing and moderate-sized prints. Low light performance. Consider cameras with larger sensors and good ISO performance for quality shots in low light conditions. Autofocus system. Fast and accurate autofocus, essential for capturing moving subjects, sports, and wildlife. Advanced tracking features, useful for continuous autofocus during video recording. Interchangeable lenses, consider cameras with a variety of available lenses, allowing you to expand your creative possibilities. Native lens availability, check the availability of lenses for your chosen camera system. If videography is part of your plan, choose a camera with advanced video features such as 4K recording, external microphone inputs, and autofocus during video capture. Budget considerations. Determine your budget range and explore cameras within that range. Remember to account for additional costs like lenses, memory cards, and camera accessories. Visit a camera store to physically handle and test different camera models. Get a feel for the ergonomics, button layout, and overall usability. Read reviews and seek recommendations. Research online reviews and seek recommendations from experienced photographers to gain insights into the real-world performance of the cameras you're considering. Choosing the right camera for photography is a personal decision that depends on your unique preferences, goals, and budget. By understanding your photography objectives, considering the type of camera, evaluating sensor size, resolution, low-light performance, autofocus system, lens compatibility, video capabilities, and budget constraints, you can make an informed decision that aligns perfectly with your creative vision. Don't rush the process, take your time, explore different options, and invest in a camera that will be your trusted companion on your photographic journey.